add more salt maybe. But it looks like, you know, this buns with garlic. But it's very nice. It's very nice. You need to try this. Actually, I like it. I don't think that there is need like to add salt. I think because the taste like is not like too much, and I like that there is not that much garlic here. I hope I don't smell. And also, if you would like to try this, you need a fork or a knife. It costs 30 zloty. The last day of this market is the 17th of August. Thank you. Bye.